Ellarigu namaskara. On this special occasion, at the end of this program, we would like to express our heartful gratitude to the Almighty, Sri Krishna. His blessings have enabled our family to present this evening to you all. Our sincere thanks to Shanti ma'am, Sneha ma'am, and Rajni ma'am for their support and guidance throughout the program. Words fall short when we try to thank Kanya ma'am. Everything you witnessed on the stage today is a reflection of her tireless dedication, her love for her students, and her devotion to this beautiful art form. Thank you, Kanya ma'am. We are humbled. Our humble vandanas to the Vadyam, the musicians whose rhythm and melody brought life to the show. Every moment of this performance was because of them. Without you, the show would not have been possible at all. Thank you so much. We extend our deepest gratitude to both our sets of parents whose constant support, guidance, and blessings have been the pillars of strength behind this entire program. Last but not the least, we are truly humbled by the presence today. Many of you have traveled great distances across the city and beyond to be here and shower your love and blessings upon Rachna. Your presence means the world to us, and we are deeply grateful. We now come to the end of this evening with the Mangalam. After the Mangalam, we are happy if you join us for the dinner. Please join us for the dinner today after the Mangalam. Thank you so much for the wonderful evening.
The Mangalam will be sung by Rachna's sister, Vandana. We're so happy to present her today.
Ramachandraya Janakarajaja Manoharaya Mamakabhishtadaya Mahidamangalam Ramachandraya Janakarajaja